Today we are going to see about operators and expression. C support a rich set of built-in operators. C having a programming C having a rich of built-in operators. We have already used for several of them, such as equal to, plus, minus, and asterisk and less than. So these are we are already using the symbols from our small classes. And an operator is a symbol that tells the computer to perform a certain mathematical or logical manipulation. An operator is a symbol that tells the computer what form of activities to be done on that computer to get an output. So that is basically known as mathematical or logical manipulations. Operators are used in program to manipulate the data and the variables. For example, I am given a equal to 10 and b equal to 20, and what will be the c, and I given a program c equal to a plus b, that is 10 plus 20 is a 30. So an operator are used in programs. Plus is an operator that is used in programs to manipulate the data. I am giving a equal to 10 and b equal to 20. So a contains some value and b has some data, so that going to manipulate and variables, manipulate the data and variables. I am giving the variable of a and b, but I get a variable of c, that is 10 plus 20 is a 30. So they are usually form a mathematical or logical expression. They are usually known as mathematical or logical expressions. And C operators can be classified into these 8 categories, that is arithmetic operators, relational operators, logical operators, assignment operators, increment and decrement operators, conditional operators, bitwise operators, special operators. Now we are going to see about arithmetic operators, real operators, and logical operators. So arithmetic operator is nothing but C provides a basic arithmetic operators. From our LKG to we are now carrying with plus symbols in all over the places. So that is a basic arithmetic operators, and the operators asterisk and slash all work on the same way and do in other languages. So and multiplication and division are same in all the languages. If we go into the Hindi or English or Tamil, the multiplication and division use be same in all other languages. These can operate on a built-in data type allowed in C. The Urani minus operator in effect multiplies a single operator minus 1. Therefore the procedure minus 1 sign in its change. This is not that much important, and we go to the additional operators and operators and meanings. Addition refers to the addition of the Urani plus 2 operators and minus 2 variables. Minus refers to the subtraction of 2 variables. Hashtag multiplication, slash is division, and this one percentage is known as modulo division. If we see what we see about modulo division in later, so integer division transcripts the factorial parts. The modulo division operator produces the remainder of the integer digits. The arithmetic operators are here a minus b and a plus b, a star b, a slash b, a percentage b are the different kinds of the arithmetic operators, and a b are known as the variables known as and orphans. The variables of the variables used in operators are known as operands. The modulo division operators of cannot use a floating point data. Modulo division operators do not use a floating point data because they are in only a modulo operators only possible in a integer arithmetic, and old version of C do not support. Old version of C do not support a Urani plus because it's the latest version. And our arithmetic operators can be divided into 3 sections, that is integer arithmetic and real arithmetic and mixed mode arithmetic. So integer arithmetic is when 2 operands, that is a and b, is a single arithmetic operators, that is a equal to 40 and b equal to 4. Such a plus b is an integer expression, that is called integer expressions. The operation is called A and B are integers, the expression is called integer expression and the operation is called integer arithmetic. So integer arithmetic is the integer arithmetic always gives the integer value. The largest integer value depends on the machine. Value of largest integer depends on the machine. If it is a 16-bit machine, it gives a 32,767. If it is a 32-bit machine, it gives 2,147,483 and 648. That much values. So it depends on the computer. I am going to assign A equal to 14 and B equal to 4, that is A minus B is 10, A plus B is 18, A into B is 56, and this is division is 3, and A modulo division is nothing but 4 root 14. 4 4 2s are 8, 4 3s are 12, and I giving 3 and 12 on this side, and if we less 14 and 12 means we get 2. So 2 is the remainder. So the finding a remainder is known as a modulo division. So during the integer division, both the orphans of the same sign result in the transcript towards 0 of if it is a same sign, that will be 0. If one of them is negative, the direction of transaction is implemented as dependent. So but minus 6, 7 may be 0 or minus 1, depend on the machine. If it is a same sign, it will be 0, and if it is an opposite, that will be also 0, but minus 6, 7 is maybe 0 or minus 1. Modulo division is a remainder value. So if we divide minus 14 divided by 3 is minus 2. The first value have a minus means we put minus. First value have the plus means we put plus. So minus, that is known as minus only. This is the what, and this are some programs given for the integer arithmetic and the real arithmetic. Next one is real arithmetic, that involve only a integer part, and real arithmetic involve a decimal and exponential part. The arithmetic operation involving real offense is called real arithmetic. The real offense may assume a decimal or exponential notation. The floating points are rounded by the number significant and possible. The final value of the approximations, that is the 6.0 divided by 7.0, that, and 1.0 divided by 3.0 is known as a real arithmetic. And the operator using the percentage symbol cannot use the modulo operations, so it cannot be permitted. And third type of arithmetic operators, mixed mode arithmetic, because it involves both real and integers. So integer divided by real, we get one value. So the fusion of this real and integer is known as mixed mode arithmetic. And relational operators nothing but to compare the two quantities for if a person A has a good wealth and person B is a poor, that is known as a rational operators. So if we compare the two things, or 2 persons, or 2 persons marks, or 2 persons grade, and the numbers between 10 and 20, 120, if we calculate this, all this relation between the two quantities is known as relational operators. And the relational operators involve less than or equal to, greater than or equal to, and it is not equal to. So in a C program we have to take equal to in a 2 times, so that only program understand what we are giving. The simple rational expression contains only one rational expression and takes the following form of it is 4.5 less than equal to 10 is true. Yes. 4.5 is less than minus 10. No, it's not a false. It's not false. So 3 minus 35 is greater than 0. No, 0 is greater. False. And 10 less than 7 plus 5 is 13. Yes, true. Likewise also we have to frame for the relational operators. When arithmetic expressions are used to either side of the rational operators, the arithmetic operation will have the first value and results arithmetic operators, and relational operators are used in decision statements. Relational operators are mostly used in the decision statements if and while conditions, that only used for rational expressions, and decision statements are given here: greater than, less than. Greater than is complement to greater than, less than or equal to, less than is equal, complement to greater than or equal to, is complement to not equal to. Next one is logical operators. Logical operator is the additional to the relational operators. So it is double and refers to the and slash refers to the or. If and means if two conditions are true, so this is and if one condition is true, one condition is false, it is known as or. If both the conditions are false, it is known as not. So it is the expression that is used to combine more relational expressions is termed as. To combine more relational expression is called a logical expression or compound rational expressions. So that value is given in the table. Hope you all understand, and thank you for watching.